at least 2 bodies. We found 4 female bones and a number of body parts in one of the graves that was excavated.
Investigators are expecting to continue their search of a plot of land in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, where 2 bodies and several bones were found on Tuesday. Police source said that the area is believed to be where one of the country's most notorious criminal gangs that is based in St. Catherine has been using as a site to bury a number of their murder victims. The police said they swooped down on the location after more than 2 years of investigation. Speaking at the site on Tuesday, Acting Deputy Commissioner of Police DCP in charge of the crime, Fitz Bailey, said the police have been following the investigation leads relative to the location for more than 2 years.
JCF has been looking at a number of cold cases over the period, and we have utilized all our resources that are available in our quest to identify persons and bodies that are victims of crime, or should I say persons who are victims of crime. For the past year and a half, we have been getting intelligence and doing our investigation regarding the possibility of bodies being buried at a site here in St. Catherine. The police continue to persist using the resources that are available, including our cadaver dogs, and we have found this site. We were here last year. We came back about 2 to 3 weeks ago. We came up empty-handed, but the character of our law enforcement officers were demonstrated, their level of persistency and commitment. And they came back this morning, and the result was that we have identified, as a matter of fact, found through the process of excavation, at least 2 bodies. We found 4 female bones and a number of body parts in one of the graves that was excavated. We continue our investigation, and I want to point out that what you have seen is a joint approach involving several different units within the JCF, the cadaver dogs, both from the JCF and JDF, were actually used in the process. We got support also from our counterpart, the JDF, in the execution of the operations. We had CTOC, we have our forensics scenes of crime officers.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content. And remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.